What if there was a way to transform how your production line handles growing complexity without adding more machines or clutter? Imagine a platform designed not just for today's challenges, but for tomorrow's ambitions, a system that evolves as your manufacturing needs do. For many in electronics production, the demands are all too familiar. Faster timelines, greater product complexity, limited floor space, and the pressure to deliver more with fewer resources. Each new device, every added function, pushes current solutions to their limits. Traditional approaches often mean making tough choices, squeezing more from the same equipment, or conceding to bottlenecks that slow progress. That's where a new solution stands apart. The A90 inline application test suite was built with a single purpose: to reimagine manufacturing efficiency. Instead of queuing steps one after another, it enables key processes to run side by side, streamlining your flow and reducing needless waiting. No more wasted time shuffling boards or moving products through maze-like lines. The design removes overhead at every turn, less handling, fewer transfers, and a setup that's unmistakably compact. You're not just saving time, you're making every moment count on the line. But efficiency is only the beginning. Factories and products are unique, and manufacturing strategies evolve. A90 adapts to your existing workflows, supporting both your current test setups and new product requirements as they emerge. Its modular architecture means expansion, not replacement, whenever your roadmap takes a new turn. Ultimately, A90 isn't simply a flashing system or a test machine. It's a scalable automation platform. It's ready for firmware today and functional tests tomorrow. As your needs grow, it grows with you, ensuring every investment continues to deliver value. A90, engineered for efficiency, built for flexibility, prepared for whatever comes next. That's how manufacturing moves forward.